Hello and welcome to the primetime news of HeadlinesIndia.com on September 14, 2008, and I am Shekhar with some major news of the day. But first, the headlines. One day after the serial blast, life backs to normal in Delhi. Leaders across country condemn serial blast in Delhi. Nepal Prime Minister Prachanda arrives in India, and Cricket Australia to review security situation in India. Now the news in detail. A day after the serial blast killed at least 30 people in New Delhi, an uneasy calm was witnessed in the city with normal life limping back to normal amid the fear of terror. Being Sunday, there was not much traffic on the roads, but the marketplaces in Karol Bagh area had a crowded view. However, the police has urged the people to stay alert and inform them in case anybody found something suspicious. The first blast on Saturday took place in the Ghaffar market of Karol Bagh area, which was followed by a series of blasts in Greater Kailash and Connaught Place. The police confirmed that 30 people were killed in the blast while more than 100 were injured. The injured were immediately rushed to the RML Gangaram and Suchita Kriplani hospital. Following the blast, security was tightened across the city and a high alert was declared in Mumbai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. An outfit of Sunni Indian Mujahideen that claimed the responsibility of the recent blast in Jaipur, Bangalore and Ahmedabad has taken the responsibility of this serial blast in the capital. Meanwhile, the police has claimed a breakthrough in the serial blast and said that it has some evidence of the terror strike and is likely to solve the case soon. The police also interrogating 8 people, including the 11-year-old child who claimed to have seen the 2 men who placed the bomb in the dustbin outside the Barakhamba road on Saturday. While the police is investigating the serial blast, leaders across the country have seriously condemned the terror strike. Giving her first reaction after the blast, Congress President Sonia Gandhi said it is an act of cowardice and whoever is behind the blast will not be spared. In a surprising change of stance, Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi deplored the serial blast and appealed Prime Minister Manmohan Singh to lead the nation in the fight against the menace of the terror. However, in a sharp reaction to the question of media over the security lapse in the capital, Minister of State for Home Affairs Sri Prakash Jaiswal said India has billion population and it is not possible to have police at all places. Well, it's time for a short break, but we'll be back in a moment. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Nepal's newly elected Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dhal Prachanda has arrived in New Delhi this afternoon on a 5-day visit to India. During his visit, Prachanda is scheduled to meet his Indian counterpart Manmohan Singh, President Pratibha Patil and Vice President Mohammad Hamid Ansari. According to an External Affairs Ministry spokesperson, the visit will provide an opportunity for discussing the entire gamut of issues between the two countries. Following the serial blast in New Delhi on Saturday evening, Cricket Australia has commissioned an urgent review of the situation in India and is considering to call off the upcoming Border Gavaskar Trophy. Team Australia was due to depart on September 21 for the Test series that is starting on October 9. The Australian team security expert Greg Dixon had been asked to compile the report in conjunction with Cricket Australia and the Australian Cricketers Association. Based on the report, the Cricket Board of Australia will take a decision on the tour next week. Well, that's all for now, but for more news and updates, keep logging on to our website headlinesindia.com. Goodbye and take care.